primetime queen Marian Rivera is trending online for her Tagalog-English translation during her stint as a judge at Century Tuna Superbuds 2024. Sam Martos for the Entertainment Report.
Your judge is Marian Rivera Dantes. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo! Listen very carefully. Here's my question. Your social media following grew when you become a finalist. How would you use this opportunity even after your super bad journey? I think you understand that.
That's a trending video of actress Marian Rivera, which has delighted by netizens. She proved that she can handle speaking English without hesitation. The video has garnered various reactions from viewers. You can see that the primetime queen is friendly and playful in her Tagalog to English translation. That scene of the actress happened at the Century Tuna Superbuds, where she was one of the judges of the said event, along with its ambassador Miss Universe 2015 Pia Worsbach-Johnsi, Aga Mulak, Richard Gomez, and many others. Meanwhile, the actress thanked her on her Instagram account for being one of the judges. In addition to that, she also congratulated the winner. This is Sam Martos for EuroTV Showbiz News.